User come and visit your website. If he leaves directly, it gives the signal to the rank bring the machines that it's not what he was looking for. Meaning the search engine will then understand that for the keywords typed in by the user, you're not the best website to be referenced. The user type in a certain keyword in Google, and then the search, those machine or algorithm are going to turn those keywords into a concept and find the best websites to match them. So it's really important for you to know that when people put some content on Google, they have a strategy. They know what keyword they are targeting, they want to rank for that keyword. The keyword has to be in the title tag, in the URL, in the image alt text. If you don't do that, it won't rank, because those are the indication for search engine to understand that your website is really talking about the subject.